Top 10 Pet Store in Indianapolis. 1. City Dogs Grocery, 4.9, 256 reviews, Virginia Avenue Suite 110. 2. Paws Stop Pet Food and Supplies, 4.8, 518 reviews, Pendleton, Pike. 3. Hollywood Feed, 4.8, 425 reviews, East 86th Street No. 28. 4. 3 Dog Bakery, 4.8, 352 reviews, Massachusetts Avenue. 5. 3 Dog Bakery, 4.8, 195 reviews, Broad Ripple Avenue. 6. Buckles Feed Depot and Pet Supply, 4.7, 700 reviews, South 4th Street. 7. Pet Supplies Plus Greenwood, 4.6, 938 reviews, South Emerson Avenue No. 180. 8. Pet Supplies Plus Broad Ripple, 4.6, 891 reviews, East 62nd Street. 9. Bird Fever, 4.6, 400 reviews, East 86th Street. 10. Speck's Pet Supplies, 4.6, 234 reviews, Bluff Rd.